Medit intraoral scanner users can send scan files directly to the Smile in a Box service. Log into www.meditlink.com using the administrator account. Go to Partners on the left menu. Search for Smile in a Box. Select a Smile in a Box laboratory in your country or region. Click Request Partnership. Please refer to the list of Smile in a Box laboratories and available countries under the video. The connection request has been sent. It will take up to 1 business day to establish the connection. Once the connection has been established, you will get a confirmation email and be able to send a case to the Smile in a Box service. Log in to the Medit Link application. Go to Casebox and click on the New Case button. Fill out the patient name and select Register and Scan. Scan a patient. Click the Complete icon. Data processing will start. Once the data processing is completed, the status will change to Scan Completed. Click Order. Select the Smile in a Box laboratory and click the OK icon. The case has been submitted. You can find the order ID in Order box on Medit Link. In the Smile in a Box order, please type the order ID in the Share via Medit Link section.